Yo, isigaxa, guys. Umkhonto wesizwe has just dropped a statement. Yo, but ndizanibalisela ekuseni, guys. I just wanted to say, vukani. It's 5 to 1 now in the morning. Umkhonto wesizwe has just dropped a statement regarding Floyd. They are distancing themselves from Floyd. They are saying he acted out of his personal capacity and they don't tolerate ill discipline. Hey, that ESA statement is so harsh. I am going to make a YouTube video in the morning. I don't think I'm gonna have a chance in the morning to make a TikTok video ndinicacisele. But xa nivuka ze niyazi uba ziyakhala. Hey, uFloyd has miscalculated. UNhlamulo indlela athetha ngayo kwesa statement ubana umkhonto wesizwe will never compromise their reputation. Don't Floyd and they're also saying uFloyd ikhangachaze kwi-organization uba uye eMalawi. Bayothuka nabo uba beseMalawi bothuka nabo njengathi. Hayini bethunana. So I don't know, guys. If I can't make a video in the morning, that means I'll see you guys in the evening. But ndixolela uba late ecaweni ngomso ekuseni. I want to wake up now ngo-6-7 and shoot a YouTube video and break down esa statement sigqityoreleaswa ngumkhonto wesizwe ngenzulu zobusuku. Yo ebethunana. I think it's time for us to pray for Floyd. Ay man, lale guys, let me sleep. Yo, I can't even sleep this gaga, guys. When I saw the letter dropping now, buvele baphela ubuthongo. Yo. I'll see you guys in the morning. Xa nivukile nithi good morning, sis.